Okay, so children, hi. All right, the time now is 5:30. We are supposed to begin lesson already. But just let me make a short how to say introduction or short information to you guys. All right. Can you see the number on the screen? 89330213. Can you please take down this number, please? Can you please take down this number? All right. Why do I need you to take down this number? Okay. So firstly, you are subscriber of 88 tutorial services. All right. You are the subscriber of 88 tutorial weekly lessons. All right. So this is actually the math hotline. All right. So this number, right? I'm holding the handphone. All right. I'm holding the handphone to this number 89330213. Can? Yes, of course you can add me. All right. So what do I need you to do is, okay, in future, right? All right, for those who are my student, all right, for those who are subscriber of the weekly tutorial, in future, if you have any school questions you don't know how to do, you can actually take a picture and send it to this number. Understand or not? Because I know that sometimes, right, P4, the questions can get a little bit more challenging already. All right, so my advice to you is sometimes if you really don't know, right, and you try to ask your daddy or mommy, they don't know, you need some help. So what do? You can approach me. Understand or not? Because I'm just like your like a tuition teacher like that to you. Can? All right. So if you have any questions in school that you have some problem with, can you please take a clear picture and send it to this number with your name, saying that you are from the P4 math class. Is it okay? And I will see the question and I will try to answer you the questions as soon as possible. All right. You give me a few hours. I'll try to answer the questions for you as soon as possible. But please, children, all right, children, please do not abuse this thing. All right, this is something extra which I'm giving you. All right, so don't abuse it. Don't tell me to do your whole school homework and all this. All right, for example, you got 20 questions and you send me all 20 questions. Don't do that. Don't do that. Is that okay? All right, so send me questions that you don't know only and those tough ones because I love to do tough questions. All right, then I will draw the working nicely for you and I'll send it back to you. Is that okay? Xander, you understand? Abu, you understand? Arino, okay? And Nico, okay, huh? Right, so this number, please write it down somewhere. Then another thing about this number, right? Another thing about this number is many of you will be getting back your test paper, right, for your WA soon this week. So what I need you to do, children, what I need you to do is to take your handphone and take picture of your test paper. All right, I want to see your test results and I want to see the entire paper. I want to see where you make the mistakes. All right, so after taking the front page, you can turn to the next page and use your handphone to take picture of the second page, take picture of the third page, and so on. All right, so you can take it as an image. Is that okay? All right, so down here, right, I think that Nico just messaged me. Let me see. All right, she say hello. I say hello back first. Wait, later she think that I'm bluffing her. Hello. All right, so Nico just messaged me. All right, I think that's Nico. All right, so I have told her the same thing. Once you get back the test paper, can you please borrow a phone from your daddy and mommy? Take picture of the paper. If you know how to PDF it, right? If you know how to PDF it using your computer, please do it. Then it will be easier on my side. All right. If not, you'll be sending me a lot of images. Then it gets very hook up. All right. A lot of memory will be used up. All right. So okay, correct. This is Nico. This is my phone. Okay, good. All right, so as I say, this hotline, right, is just for you, all right, because you are paid users of the 88 Tuition, the tutorial services. All right, so this is directly linked to me, just to let you know. All right, so Nico, can you please stop spamming me? Can I take video? Huh? For what? No. I want to see the paper. I want to see the images. Don't take the video of your paper. How to capture? I cannot see the video. I can see the video. All right, but because there's a lot of moving and all this. So you take picture, you take images of the paper, all right, and send it to me. Thank you so much. Yes, page by page. Take picture, page by page. Thank you so much. Okay, so children, announcement being made. All right. So let me just continue with today's lesson a little bit. So today's lesson, right? Ayo, quite disappointing. I think many of you, right? I think many of you already finished your test already, right? So if many of you finish your test, right, the worksheet, right, many of you never do. All right. So I only saw that Areno did his homework and I saw that Hardik did his homework. The rest never do, naughty. All right, Xander, you never do your submission. Abu, do you do? No, right? And Nico also never do your submission. All right, but perfectly understandable because your test is over already. You want to relax a bit, okay. All right, but Hardik, I'm so sorry. I think your test is coming up on Wednesday. All right, this will be a good lesson for you. All right, what's the topic for today? The topic today is on revision also. All right, because there are some people who is still taking the what? Still taking the test. All right, the WA and all this. Okay, so let's go and take a look at the question by question. Later we'll play a bit of Kahoot, don't worry. All right. So the first question, let's go, is about graph reading. So for this question, right, Arino, I saw that you make some mistake. All right. So I just want to clarify with you if you understand your mistake. Arino, are you ready? All right. I need you to help me with this. So Arino, can you see now? This is actually a graph reading. And can you see that there are how many intervals? From 40 to 50, for example. How many intervals? 1 interval, 2 interval, 3 interval, 4 interval, and 5 interval. Can you see that? Right. Okay, sorry, this is the interval. 1 interval, 2 interval, 3 interval, and 4 interval. Can you see that? Okay, so there are 4 ticks. There are 4 ticks between 40 to 50. So my question to you is, what is every one line called? What is every one line? So sometimes if you don't know, you can make a guess and check. This is 41, 42, 43, 44. Eh, not enough. Cannot be. So Arino, can you tell me? Can you unmute yourself and tell me, Arino, because you got this question wrong. All right, Hardik, I think you got this question correct, so I'm not going to disturb you for this. Arino, can you tell me what does one of these interval means?
Two.
Is it 2? So this is like 42, 44, 46, 48. Very smart. Very smart. All right, and Hardik, I saw that you wrote inside your the chat also. You say 2, correct? So everyone is 2. So it's like 42, 44, 46, and 48, correct. So for this type of question, right, I will first find out what does the interval means. After that, right, then I will put in numbers for every one of them. So for example, this one will be what? This one will reach the 50. All right, this one will reach the 48. Can you see? All right, the 0 books one is 30. The 1 book one is 22, 24, 26. The 3 books one is 32, 34, 36, 38. Can you see or not, children? All right, so it's not that tough. It's not that tough. So once you get the reading out right, now you answer the question. How many students borrowed more than 2 books, children? More than 2. Can I ask you a question? Arino, more than 2, does 2 count as more than 2? What do you think? What's the meaning of more than 2? Can we say that 2 is more than 2? So where is more than 2? Is this portion more than 2? Or is this portion more than 2? What is the meaning of more than 2? Tell me. Arino. Arino, are you there? Yes, of course you are there, Arino. I can see your forehead. Okay, so my question to you, Arino, is what is the meaning of more than 2 books? Do we count the 2? Yes or no? Can you shake your head or either nod your head? What's the meaning of more than 2? Arino, can you hear me? Okay, Nico, I can see that your camera is good already. Good job. All right, but please, Nico, don't spam me on my phone, please. All right, yes, Hardik. Yes, I saw you right after 2. Okay, Arino, okay. So the meaning of more than 2, for example, right, Arino, for example, I say that I got more than $2 in my wallet. All right, so I make this statement. I say that, Arino, I have more than $2 in my wallet. So how much can I have? Can I have $2.50? Yes. Can I have $3? Yes, it's possible. Can I have $2.10? Yes, but can I have $2, Arino? That's the question. Yes or no? No, no, no. I cannot have $2 because I have more than what? What's the meaning of more than? More than means there must be more lah. More than $2 itself, right? So similarly down here, so the meaning of more than 2 books. More than 2 books means what? It cannot be 2. Nope. It cannot be 2. Can it be 3? Yes. Can it be 4? Yes. But it cannot be 2. How come? Because the number 2 down here is not more than 2. Understand or Arino? Can So down here, how many students borrowed more than 2 books? Answer is 38 plus 48. We are looking at the students here. All right, so if you add them together, you should get 86. Is that okay, Arino? All right, so this is our question, right? A little bit tricky, just a little bit tricky. All right, one part is how to read the interval. The second part is understanding the word more than 2 books. All right, so more than 2 cannot be counted. Yes, Arino, you raise up your hand.
Can I go toilet?
Yes, but you understand this question first? Excellent. All right, yes, you can go toilet now. All right, now question 2. Can you please look at the next question? It's an extra question. Right, can you all of you please try this right now? Please try. Hello? Yes. Okay, I saw that Hadik and Abu give the answer already. It's correct. Thank you. Good job, Hadik and Abu. The rest? The question is asking what is the sum of all the factors of 15? You have to list out the factors of 15 first. All right, Xander, do you have an answer? Can you please key into the chat? Thank you so much, Nico also. Arino, are you back from the toilet? All right, if you're back, you can actually yes, turn on your video. Thank you so much, Arino. All right, so Nico, no. Nico, do you know what's the meaning of factors or not? You're scaring me. All right, you know what's the meaning of factors or not? All right, you learned this in primary 4, the first topic, factors and multiple. What? Reno, why is it 1 times 5? No. Reno, 1 times what? We're talking about 15. This is number 15, not 1 times 5. Hello? Yeah, Reno, thank you. Yes, 1 times 15. All right, what else? Xander, the answer is not 33. 3 times 5. Thank you so much, Reno. Anything else? All right, so please go to the chat. Please go to the chat and type in the answer. Can? All right, so Arino actually contributed. He came back from toilet and he immediately gave me this answer. All right, Hadik, so you know what's the meaning of factors, right? Because I saw that you answered question 2 wrongly in your worksheet. Right, Hadik? Okay, so you can see that 1 and 15 and 3 and 5 are factors of 15. Is that true? All right, so what happened? Xander, why you take 10 plus 5? I don't understand. All right, Xander, I don't understand why you take 10 plus 5. And Nico, why you put 2 times 3? We're talking about 15. Hello, you know how to get 15 or not? Quite scary. Factors of 15, how you get 15? 1 times 15, 3 times 5. We got 2 times 3, Nico. Please stop scaring me. Yeah, that's Xander, correct. 5 times 3. Yeah, but 5 times 3 and 3 times 5 the same. Hey, this is the same. So if they are the same, right? It's the same. You don't repeat. This one is the same as 5 times 3. Same. All right, same. But so don't repeat. Don't repeat. All right, don't repeat. Okay. Yes, I know. Hadik. Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh, just now I said that you question 2 got it wrong, right? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm not talking about this question. It's the next question. This is like the extra question, right? Yeah. I'm so sorry, Hadik. Yeah. Okay. So down here, children, that's all right. Arino say, is there any more? No more. Correct. So these are the what? These are the factors of 15, which is 1, 3, 5, and 15, right? These are factors of 15. And what the question is asking? What is the question asking? The question is asking for the sum. What does the meaning of sum means? Sum means you have to add them up. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 15. Which will give you a what? 24. And that's your answer. Woo! Is that okay?